We want you to like our videos, subscribe to our channel so that you see more videos. Want you to make comments at the bottom of the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. You can also make requests on whichever video you want us to do. We'll try as much as possible to do the video so that you can learn more on how to trade Forex and volatility index. Then don't forget to hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that when we release the video, you'll be the first to see it on your notification dashboard. Now today we'll be demonstrating how you can divide your MetaTrader 5 window into two. Then what other things can you do with two windows? Can you use it to make better trade decisions and what have you? That's all what we were talking about today. Now let's go straight to business. This is the MetaTrader 5 window for USD JPY, US United States dollar versus Japanese yen 1 hour chart. So to divide this window into two, I'll go to the top of my MT5 window where I have the window icon. As I've pressed on it, is the second to the right tab. I'll press on it again. This is the second to the right tab window, top second to the right tab. You can see window highlighted. So once I tap on it, it will bring a prompt, and on the prompt I can see charts, new window, and USD JPY, US dollar versus Japanese yen 1 hour time frame. So I'll hit the new window tab, and you can see another window pops up. But on this other window I have Euro versus US dollar 5 minutes time frame. So let me see if I can bring up another window. Now the new window command icon is grayed out, so I can't bring up more than two windows at a time on my phone. So let me see if I can arrange these two windows any way I like, whether horizontally. Okay, I have tile the windows horizontally. This tab, if I click on it, it will tile the windows horizontally. Of course, they are horizontally arranged. Let me try the other tab, which is tile vertically. If I click on it, okay, now I have a vertical arrangement. I can see my US dollar versus Japanese yen window 1 hour time frame, and I can see my Euro versus US dollar window 5 minutes time frame. So let me change the Euro versus USD time frame to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening. Okay, now the USD dollar is in a bullish trend, trying to move up, while the Euro dollar is also the last three candles is also ticking up. So let me tile it horizontally. Okay, now how can you use this to make your trade decisions? You can like if you want to just trade the currency pair, let's say Euro USD, just want to trade Euro USD, or just want to trade USD JPY. Okay, let's trade just USD JPY. That means I'm going to have USD JPY as my upper window and USD JPY as my lower window, but I'm going to use two different time frames. So let me change the lower window to show USD JPY. Okay, this is USD JPY. Okay, Now I have USD JPY on the upper window and USD JPY on the lower window. So I can now either change this to a different time frame or change this to a different time frame. Okay, let me move. I press down on it so that I can move it so that it will be in line. All right. Okay, now is that I use this as a daily time frame and then change this to 1 hour. This is already on 1 hour time frame, so that I can look at what's happening on the daily time frame and what's happening on the 1 hour time frame at the same time. Or I change this to 1 hour time frame and then change this to 15 minutes time frame. That means I want to trade with two different time frames at the same time. Then I can also change this to 4-hour time frame and then change this to 30 minutes time frame so that I can see what's happening on the 4-hour and then on the time for 30 minutes. Now that's that. I can use multiple time frames, or I can use the same time frame, 4-hour, 4-hour, to give me the same view. Now I can introduce indicators for the two windows. Like I can, if I'm going to put in indicator on the upper window, I'm going to press on this F button. Takes me to where the indicators are. I can choose a moving average 21 EMA, red color. I can do the same for the lower window. I have to tap on the lower window to highlight it first, then tap, then F button, and then 21 EMA, done. So I can see 21 EMA on the two windows. The upper window is 4-hour window. The lower window is also 4-hour window. So I can change my upper window to 30 minutes time frame so that I can see what's happening. Or I can leave my upper window as 4-hour time frame and then change the lower window to 30 minutes time frame. Now I can also introduce 50 EMA. I press on the F button, press on this F with plus sign, and press on moving average, change this to 50 EMA. Change the color so that I don't have the same color. I can select brown, done. Okay, you can see on the upper window I have two moving averages, the 21 exponential moving average and the 50 exponential moving average. And what you can see here is that the 21 has crossed down on the 50. So let's repeat the same. We tap on the lower window. Let's introduce 50 EMA. Press on this F plus sign and then done. So we can see that on the lower time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame, the 21 EMA is under the 50 EMA. Is under the 50 EMA. Let me change the color for this my object. I'm gonna put fill red. Okay, let me leave it as green, done. Okay, now the 21 EMA is well under the 50 EMA on the lower time frame, and the 21 EMA just crossed, not quite long, down on the 50 EMA on the upper window. So that means USD JPY has been in a bearish trend. Has been in a bearish trend on the lower time frame, which is the 30 minutes time frame. But price just crossed above the two EMAs. So there is tendency for price to still go down and the bearish trend continue. But on the upper time frame, there's also been a bearish trend, and around this region, the lower time EMA also crossed down the higher EMA, which means bearish trend may continue. But for now on your screen, you can see an engulfing candle bar here, which is also represented with these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 bullish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bullish candles with a small resistance here. So, but we have 5 bullish candles that is represented with this long green candle bar here. So the multiple windows will allow you to see what's happening on the higher time frame and what is happening on the lower time frame. Okay, let's look at 1 hour. Let's make our upper window to be a 1 hour window. Okay, let's change the time frame to 1 hour so that we'll also explore more opportunities. Okay, now let's change the lower window to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now on the 1 hour time frame, which is the upper window, we can see what USD/JPY is doing, and then lower time frame we can also, which is 15 minutes, we can see what it has done. Now for the 1 hour time frame, let's try and zoom in. Sorry about that. Let's zoom in. Okay, you can see that the 21 EMA is under the 50 EMA, which is a bearish trend. Okay, and we can see what's happening on the 15 minutes time frame. There has been a bearish trend. 21 EMA is under the 50 EMA, and it has been a bearish trend, but it just crossed the 21 EMA, just crossed above the 50 EMA here, which may indicate retracement before the bearish trend continues. So that's that for the dual window, how to use a multiple window on MT5. You can do this on MT5 for now. I'm not sure about you being able to do it on MT4. You can also use these dual windows to check the progress on 2 different currency pairs that are that are negatively correlated. What I mean by negatively correlated pairs is one pair will be going up, like USD/JPY, and the other pair will be going down, like gold. Let's change this lower time frame, lower window, to gold. Gold. Okay, here. Okay, now we have 1 hour for USD/JPY and 15 minutes for gold. Let's change gold versus US dollar to 1 hour time frame so that we'll be at par. Okay, now we can see what happened as these 2 pairs, they are negatively correlated. Now whenever USD/JPY is trending down, gold is always trending up. So if USD/JPY is going up, gold will go down. If gold is going down, gold is going up, USD/JPY will go down. So they always act in the opposite direction. Right now, you can see that gold is trying to come up. The price of gold is trying to bounce here, while the price of USD/JPY is doing the exact opposite, which is it's trying to turn down. We can already see more like can I call this evening star, or okay, more like evening star, but we can see what's happening here. So until the hour the 1 hour period, until it elapses before you can now decide on whether gold is going to continue to go down or whether USD JPY is going to continue to go up. So you can also check other currency pairs like check other negatively correlated currency pairs like GBP, USD. Let's change the upper time frame to upper window to GBP USD. Okay, these are GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. That's this GBP USD is trending up. Let's look at its negative correlation, which might be USD CHF. Okay, you can see as GBP USD is trending up, USD CHF is trending down. Now GBP USD stays above the 21 EMA and the 50 EMA, while USD CHF stays below the 21 and the 50 EMA. So that's that about using multiple windows on MT5. I think you can only do this on MT5 for now to make your trade decisions. So that's that. You can explore and check other qualities or other things you can do with multiple windows on your MetaTrader 5. So you can drop your questions or comment below this video. We can also make more suggestions on what video you want us to do for you. So we always do it and then give explanation so that you can understand how to trade Forex or volatility index better. Now I want you to like our video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that when we send out another video, you'll be the first to see the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ask questions where you are not clear or whatever you don't understand. Just ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to clarify what we mean in our video. So till I come your way next time, it's bye.